Hi everyone. I wanted to show you how easy it is to use Moyra's foil stamping polish and easy foils. And I already prepped my nail. I used Moyra's number 1015 gel look polish, their matte top coat, which I don't see sitting here for some reason. And I used the number 1 foil polish black. This is not gel. It removes with regular acetone. And Lantern Wren Simply Silver stamper. This picks up the finest lines ever. If you don't have this stamper in your collection, you definitely need it. I always get asked about if it lasts without top coating. It will not last. You're only going to get a couple of days before the foil really starts wearing off. I use Lantern Wren's detail brush and just go over my foil with top coat. And that way the rest of my nail stays matte. And it sounds worse than what it is. It only takes a couple minutes to do that. So, but when you're using foil polish, make sure you shake it very well. Oh, and I'm also using Big in Japan number 95 stamping plate, and I'm going to use this image right here. So you shake your polish, and then you just put it on like you do regular stamping polish. Nothing fancy. Now, when you're doing foil polish, I know this is hard to see. Dang it. You want to make sure that you get all of the extra polish other than the design off, because the foil will stick to it and it'll show the smallest detail that you messed up. So then just stamp your nail like you normally would. Till I get used to doing video, I'm just going to use swatch sticks. Once I get used to doing videos, then I will start doing it on my regular nails. But stamp your image, and then you take your foil, and you want the dull side down, not the shiny side. So make sure you always put the dull side down. And then you just gently but firmly press it on your foil polish. Do this in small pieces. Don't try to do the whole nail at one time. And you just keep doing that until you get it covered as well as you want it to be covered. And I think I pretty much have it there. Let's see if we can get a close-up shot of this so that you can actually see it, because it's really pretty. I really like the holographic foils, but yeah, that came out pretty nice. And then, like I said, if you're not going to wear it longer than a day or two, just take your brush and go over those areas a little bit with a glossy top coat. Or you can cover the whole nail. You don't have to leave it matte. I just like the way it looks with the matte background and the shiny foils. And that's how easy it is to do. All of these products are available at lanternwren.com. She carries a lot of stuff from out of the country, so it's like one-stop shopping. She has fingernail polish, she has everything. So I'll try to figure out how to link the products that I used in this video. If I can't, then I'll just put it in the comment. Okay, that's it.